Dirt Wizard Part A should sound something like this. Let me take you step by step through it. Please make sure you've got the PDF open, and if you need it, just let me know. And we're going to start at fret number 12, and you're going to have a double 12, 0, 12, all in the top 6th string. Should sound like this. Nice and easy. Hold it last 12 like this. You can see I'm wiggling the string just a little bit. That's called vibrato. And then you're going to add on another 3 notes, 0, 10, 12. So your first bar completed should sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the next bar starts off similar to how we ended the first bar. It starts off again with 0, 10, 12, and then it goes to 10, which will be on your 5th string, and you play the 10, 12 twice through. So but it's a little bit of a bend like that, because you'll see above the second 10 on the PDF is a little upward arc. It says quarter. It's a quarter tone bend, and after you've done that, back to 12, back to open. So from the beginning now you're going to have this, both bars, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and nice and easy. Okay. And then the next bar where it says 1 on top. This is the 3rd bar with a little 1. Looks like a division sign, which starts the same. Nice and easy, a lot of repetition. And then onto the next line. This is where it gets a bit more fun. It's going to sound like this. Now you'll notice there are some very small notes, like after you've done the 0, 10, 0, there's a tiny little 12 with a / which means slide to 14. But those 2 notes should sound and feel like one. Like that. Cross to the 12 on the 4th string, and then slide back from the 14 like that. And then end on the 10th fret there. So your first bar of the second line should be like this. And there you got your first 4 bars. And I'm going to play through from the beginning. I want you to play along with me. Take it through nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, and cool. Then the second time round starts exactly the same, but this time instead of playing bar 3 and 4, you jump across to the 5th bar, which will be the middle bar of the second line, where it starts off again with a lot of repetition. It's not a difficult piece, this. And then you finish off that last line with open 10 and it slide to the 15. Like that. And you slide out. So the last bar, okay, that should have been 15. Simple as that. That's your part A. Please let me have a copy of you playing this part A so I can see your techniques. I wanted the same sort of focus on I'm seeing here, so I want to see your fingers. You do not have to write your numbers on your fingers, okay? But I put them there so you know which strings, which fingers to use for the strings. Okay, next video is part B.